Downloading your account data from Google is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully retrieve your information. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account page and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access data and personalization. Once signed in, navigate to the Data and Personalization section in the left-hand menu. This area contains options related to your data management. Step 3. Use Google Takeout. Scroll down to find the Download Your Data option. Click on it to access Google Takeout, which allows you to select the specific data you wish to download. Step 4. Select data to download. In Google Takeout, you will see a list of Google services with checkboxes. Select the data you want to download by checking the corresponding boxes. You can also choose the file format and delivery method. Step 5. Create export. After selecting your data, scroll to the bottom and click on Next Step. Review your selections and then click on Create Export. Google will prepare your data, which may take some time depending on the amount of information. Once the export is complete, you will receive an email with a link to download your data. Follow the link to access your files.